Hey, it's Kelly from MXHideout. I just saw that Honda released their CRF300F trail bike, but I'm already seeing a lot of comments from hardcore Honda guys saying that, oh, this is terrible. This is way worse than the XR250. Bring that back. Mine's still running great. It's 50 pounds lighter, has better power, it's more reliable, adjustable suspension. So is Honda going the wrong way with this 300? Well, in my opinion, yes. I do not like the extra weight. The 250 and the 300 are a little bit heavier than I would prefer. And the suspension is not adjustable, probably due to cut down on costs. But some people are saying that, oh, it needs to drop 50 pounds in order for me to buy it. But those guys that say that are probably the ones that always say, oh, everything was better back in my day. Because if you actually look at the weights, compare the real wet weights, it's not that far off. This CRF300F is about like 8 to 10 pounds, I believe, heavier than the XR250 are. And that's what you get when you add electric start, fuel injection, this modern technology, and then the new 300 is another 8 pounds heavier than this. So it's maybe 15-ish pounds heavier than the XR250. And yes, it should have more power because I've ridden a stock XR250 and this CRF300F, it has about the same. So the 300 should have even more. But you also get much easier starting thanks to the electric start that is reliable, as well as the fuel injection. No more kicking it over on the side of a really steep hill, no dealing with that manual compression lever and dealing with a carb that's jutted slightly off, especially if you go up or down in elevation. No messing with that jutting. I really like that they added the 6th gear to the 300 because this 5-speed, it could use that extra gear if you want to do really tight, low-speed trail riding, plus cruising on gravel roads at a higher speed. Then there's people saying that, oh, it's not reliable compared to the XR. Well, this is a very proven machine. There's thousands of them out there. If you just change oil, keep the air filter clean, these things are gonna last hundreds or thousands of hours. And the 300, I don't see it being any different. They even added an oil cooler to help reduce the heat. So if you don't mind compromising an extra 15 pounds and non-adjustable suspension in stock form for electric start, fuel injection that you never have to jet, modern ergonomics, really good reliability, super smooth, torquey engine, and a little more power, why not? And it's the same retail price as the 250. So aside from the weight, I think Honda's going in the right direction. What do you think? If you're brand new to dirt biking and you're looking for the best beginner dirt bike, you should check out this video here. I'm Kelly Fagan from MXHideout. Ride safe, have fun.